What is up? It's Andrea and welcome back to my channel. Last year, 2017, was kind of a huge year for me. It was the year that my channel grew and I got to say hi to all of you guys. It was also the year that I made one of my best-selling slimes in my shop. I made a specific texture of slime called Cloud Dough or Cloud Cream. A lot of people now just call them cloud slimes, have gotten super popular over the last few months. I have seen so many slime shops with their own specific version of cloud dough or cloud cream or cloud slime or whatever you want to call it. And I thought, you know, I should test those out. Do some detective work. I should inspect them. I should decide which one has the best cloud slime. So I asked you guys on Instagram what some of your favorite shops for buying cloud slimes are, and these are the ones that you guys most recommended from some really popular Instagram stores as well as some smaller stores. So we have a good balance and we are going to be looking for the ultimate cloud slime. So we're going to be looking at them. We're going to be judging them based on things like fluffiness, or how much it does the thing where it looks like a cloud. If you guys are excited for this video, if you like slimes in general, or you just like me and you really want to help me and support my channel, then definitely go down below, leave a like, let me know that you like this video. If we hit 20,000 likes, I will make another slime review video of you guys' choice, so hit the like button. I'm also going to be hanging out in the comments for the first 2 hours that this video is live, so if you guys want a chance to come hang out, come say hi, then definitely turn on those notifications and get the chance to become part of the notification fam. You guys are my favorite people ever. So if you want to see where to get the best cloud slime, stick around because we're going to be testing a bunch of them. So the first cloud cream we have is from Slime Meowy, and I'm sure I'm pronouncing this wrong, but basically the coolest thing ever about her account is all of her slimes are cat themed. She actually figured out that I ordered from her. I'm like, you know what, I have to include these in the video because you guys, she sent me all cat themed extras and I am just so happy right now. It had a pretty good fluff to it, so you could definitely get it to completely fluff up. I figure we'll be rating on how fluffy the slimes get. So if you guys want to start rating from 1 to 10, 10 being the fluffiest, which ones you like, which ones you don't, in the comments below, I would love to hear about it. But I think this one is really nice. It had a great fluff to it. It wasn't too messy to play with. It smelled amazing, and I just can't get over how cute the cat theming is. So I really loved this one. Now on to Snoop slimes. So from Snoop slimes, I ordered 2 different slimes. The first one being Magic Kingdom. This one was a 6 ounce for $12.50. It is supposed to be sherbet scented, and then it's a really pretty blue with these cute little Mickey sprinkles. Confession time, I already took this one out of the container and played with it. So the sprinkles are not settled on the bottom anymore. That's definitely one of the main things I loved about how this one was designed, is those sprinkles. They're so cute and they're really unique. As far as the cloud cream goes, this one was definitely one of the different textures. This one was a lot more of a wet, fluffy texture. So if you are not into things that are a little bit more on the wet side, they have a little bit more fallout, I definitely wouldn't recommend this. But if you're really into super fluffy slimes, if you want to touch something that feels like a literal cloud, I definitely recommend this one 100%. I have never had a slime fluff up as much as this one. Moving on, we have the other one that I ordered from her, which is Shooting Star. None of the colors mixed together in the container. This one is a 6 ounce for $13. If I forget to mention the prices, they're all up on the screen if you guys want to check that out. And then it has these cute little star glitters on the bottom. So I can't tell what the smell for this one is. It smells really good. I just feel bad because I can't tell you guys the exact smell that it's supposed to be. I'm sorry. This one has the same texture as Magic Kingdom. Really fluffy, really soft. So next I got a slime from Scented Slimes by Amy. A ton of you guys recommended her slimes as well, and I will say I've never actually shopped her store before, but I am so impressed by how decorative all of the slimes look. There's always cute little stuff on the outside of the container, and I just wanted to mention it because I think they look so nice. So the one that I bought, Pop Star. So this one is a pink and white cloud slime with rainbow star confettis, and then it has a cute little lollipop charm on the top of it. She described the smell as a pearberry and fresh fruit smell. It's totally not what I thought Pop Star would smell like, but it does smell really good. It's a really fresh, slightly sweet scent. It was really good at fluffing. It was definitely on the thicker side, so this one was also more like a dough, and it stayed together really well. And next we are moving on to memorial slimes. So memorial slimes is actually recommended a lot, and I think it's really cute. They actually donate part of the money that they make from their slimes to charity. I bought an 8-ounce slime from them. This one is called Unicorn Floof, and I can't say it with a straight face. I laugh every single time I hear the name, but I think it's super cute. So this one is a mix of pink, purple, white, and blue swirl, which, can I just say, how much time do you think it took her to swirl it into this perfect pattern? Because I was amazed when I took out of the container. I'm like, is this real life? So this one is the wettest of all of the cloud creams, but there is a bright side, and it did not bother me whatsoever because this is the only one that I had absolutely no snow fallout. Moving on to OG slimes, I actually bought 2 from her. I have a reason. I'm not just a hoarder, you guys. I have a reason I bought 2 because this is one of the only places that I saw that specifically sold cloud creams as well as cloud slimes. So first up, bubblegum is a 6-ounce for $12. This one is a bubblegum color, and it is scented like bubblegum. It was a really nice, classic, basic cloud cream slime. Moving on to candy cane. This one was a straight up cloud slime, so it was supposed to fluff. This one was supposed to be a red and white swirl. It mixed together a lot in shipping. You can still tell that there's a little bit of white in there, so you get to mix that up a little bit. And then this one is candy cane scented. I don't think I needed to tell you guys the scent of this one, but this one's candy cane scented. I was really impressed by how well this one fluffed up. I totally didn't think that it would fluff up as much as it did, but it was really nice. I really liked it. So if you're looking for really classic scents and really nice consistent recipes, I definitely really liked OG Slime's cloud creams. Okay, I have a little bit of a story time for you guys. I was looking for my final cloud cream because I was going to order from somebody else, but it fell through and they weren't restocking that week. So I'm frantically searching for a final cloud cream so that I can get this video to you guys. And then I got a really sweet message from a slime account named Slime Yoda, and they actually opened their store specifically so that I could get some extra cloud creams. Huge shout out to you. Thank you so much. So first up, we have Winter Blues. This one is a 6-ounce and it was $8.25. This one is a blue Hawaiian scent. I really liked the texture of these. This is another shop that I definitely recommend going to if you want something that's really classic, that's really basic, but it's really well done. How many times can I say the word really in this sentence? But I'm serious. Next we have California Winter Cloud. So this one is also a 6 ounce and it's also $8.25. And this one has an orange sherbet scent. But they're really great. They fluffed up a lot and they weren't overly wet or overly doughy. So they were just in the middle, but like in a perfect way. Do you know what I mean? And all of the scents smelled so good in both of the slimes that she sent me. So honestly, I recommend all these slimes. I think it just depends on what you personally want. Do you know what I mean? And that was it for the video. Did you guys like it? Which one was your favorite? Comment it down below. I want to know what you guys think. I loved all of them. If you guys liked it, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. It really helps me out. It lets me know that you like videos like this so that I can make more videos like this, and it just makes me happy. So, you know, if you want to help this small bean out with her channel, I would really appreciate it. If you like me, you can definitely hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Other than that, all my socials and all of my new videos are linked down below. I love you guys very much, and if you have any suggestions for other slimes I should review or other videos you want to see me do on this channel, leave a comment down below. I'm gonna be hanging out, like I said, and I would love to read about it. I will see you in the next video. Bye!